we are not really in one side of the spectrum, and we are not on the extreme side. We're not on the extreme side of the spectrum ng pagiging adapter and innovator. There's a part of us that are both. But here's what we all have to understand. Sometimes you're a team member, and sometimes you're a team leader. Kapag team member kayo, may responsibility tayo na paano ba tayo makikibagay sa ibang tao? Knowing na some are adapters, again, people na operate in the box, and some are innovators that love, kayo, dami nyo, dami natin, right? That operate outside of the box, right? So, pag inopen ko ulit yung slide, I'm gonna show you a graph, right? Na even though na we consider ourselves as adapters, it's probably better to use adjectives. Some people are more adapters. Some people are more innovators. We are not just adapters. We are not just innovators. Okay? How do you manage people as a leader na may mga ganong klaseng viewpoints? How do you bring them to a point na for everyone to achieve what they're trying to solve or do or decide on?
Sir, I think actually that's a good perspective in terms of parang being a leader when you are you are teaming your members. Actually, it's a good team if you are consist of adapters and innovators. Kasi matatako lahat ng problems. Kung matatako lahat ng problems, so ma-raise yun. If ma-raise lahat ng problems, you will have the solution for that. Kasi once both is innovators, if you are both a risk-taker, kumbaga you are go for it. So hindi nyo kina-consider if those people who are adopters is very adapted for that innovations na gusto nyong mangyari. Parang if the teams are consist of both innovators and adapters, so probably both have different perspective. If both have different perspective, ma-raise nila lahat ng concerns and issues when it comes to that team in order to in result for a good parang a common goal which is very flexible for both innovators and adapters.
Thanks. As a leader, an effective leader, it's important for all of us as leaders to understand that the diversity of thought is what brings optimum results. If a leader was able to maximize, capitalize on all levels of adaptability and innovation, then can you imagine the result ng bagay na yon? Like Mandy and Antonio brought it up. To be able to cover each other's strengths and weaknesses, to cover each other's blind spots, a leader should be able to hone all of those in one group. Does it take more time? Yes. That's the risk. It takes more time. But there's a difference between efficient and effective. Earlier, I talked about effective leadership, and there's a thing called efficient leadership. Would you have been able to finish something super fast on time if you had the same like-minded, kung parehong mga wavelength nyo? Oh, of course. But maybe that's a little bit more efficient. But if you really wanted the best result, effective results, then you want as a leader, you should be able to practice how to understand, facilitate, be objective sa lahat ng mga personality ng mga group members natin. And really, that is what the AI theory is teaching.
The agility, the adaptability of one leader allows us to seek refuge and would say ang galing ko pero may mas gagaling pa sa akin. Ang kulang ko ay may pupuno pa nito. And possibly, gaano man ako ka-experience, gaano man ako kagaling sa mga bagay na ito, alam ko meron pa rin maitutulong ang kasamahan kong Pilipino, especially ang mga kabataan ngayon, dahil ang idea nila when they try to listen with our discussion this evening is only just a snippets of what they can do to our community and to our country.